Yo, what's up, winners, and welcome to In It to Win It Fitness. My name is Carlos, and today we're talking about the 5 ways you know you're on the right track to reaching your weight loss goals. Number 5, when you miss a workout at the gym or at home, you miss it like you miss the person you love. Number 4, you have a dedicated playlist for not only your cardio but also your weightlifting, because the cardio playlist just don't work the same as the weightlifting playlist and vice versa. So you gotta have 2 playlists for each one of your workouts. Number 3, when you eat the food you used to and you haven't eaten it in a long period of time and it gives you a headache and you feel sick to your stomach, you are on your way to reaching your weight loss goal. Which brings us to number 2. When you're in the gym, working out on your upper body, and you're already thinking about tomorrow, what you got planned for leg day. And the number 1 way you know you're on your way to reaching your weight loss goals, this may just be me, but it may be you also. When you have the option of an escalator and an elevator, but you're still looking for the stairs, that's when you know you are on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. Let me know in the comments below which ones you relate to, and also share this with a family member, co-worker, friend, anybody else you know that needs to have some affirmation that they're on the right track to reaching their weight loss goals. Till next time, stay in it to win it, stay motivated, and always motivate others. Peace. See y'all next time.